Alright, here's a quick rundown of the new center console. Starting with the back. This is just a piece of felt that I made a little boot out of. And then the trim ring here is a motorcycle license plate frame. The sidebars are aluminum. I got at the hardware store for, I think they're for screen doors or something, but they snapped over this half-inch MDF. So, yep, got the e-brake in the center. Up here, built this little box with all the switches in it. I don't want to say it's a mess, but there's a lot of wiring under here. These are knobs for a Fender guitar. You see, they're pretty cool. They're all knurled and gnarly. This one is the stereo, so it's a marine Bluetooth module. So this is like track forward and back, and then volume, and then something else. This one, I took apart the bass knob for the amplifier and then put a new knob on it. So there's my bass boost. Overdrive, because it's an automatic, and you guys can hate all you want. There's the front lights. This one is going to turn on. That's what that yellow cord is for. That one's going to turn on. I'm going to do a electric defrost in here. I just don't have it hooked up, but while I was in here, I might as well run the wire. This knob is the sensitivity for my electric power steering. All the way this way, and it's pretty much manual steering, and all the way this way you can turn the steering wheel with one finger. And then there's a bunch in between, so it's pretty cool. USB charging with my voltmeter, and then this just came with the thing. I mean, I'd like to put something cooler in here, but that's just a cigarette lighter. Up here, here's the stock shifter bezel mounted directly to this hollow box thing I made. What's different here is this light. I put this light in, and this button for the line lock. So the way that works is I only want to be doing burnouts in first gear, right? So I go down, there's first, boom, the light comes on, lets me know I'm in first, and then I can click this, listen. That's the line lock going off. If I'm not in first, the light goes off and no line lock. Just a safety precaution that I thought would keep me from accidentally hitting that or whatever when I don't really want to be doing giant burnouts. Okay, moving up. This cup holder is the $7.99 special you can get at any auto parts store. It's just that black plastic piece. What I did was I cut out the cup holder part and then bought these stainless steel marine ones off of Amazon, and they fit really well right down in there. And then I had to cut off, so normally there's like a change tray thing here. I had to cut that off, and to make it look halfway decent, this piece of plastic here is an old mud flap, and then I just took some chrome door edge trim, put it on the mud flap, and then that's kind of screwed to the box in here. And then I haven't bolted everything down yet, but you can kind of see what's going on. See? And then underneath there is where the wiring comes out for all the switches, and I have plugs, and I have my extra wires that come out here. You know, that'll all get cleaned up. I'm obviously not 100% done, but I mean, once you put that back in place, like, no one even tell. Yeah, it's a lot more user-friendly. Before, the cup holders were right up here against the knobs, and it's kind of hard to get to the AC unit and all that, but now it's all good. I think the with all the chrome trim and everything on the dash, and that chrome there, I think it works pretty well with all the, I love these knobs. And the chrome license plate frame, which looks awesome, and it was $6. Yep, there it is.